It is a cracking Wednesday morning. Just each shift started at 11:15. Got my first order like 7 minutes into my shift at Subway High Street. It's a nice sunny day. That's always a good sign. A driver waiting. You going in?
Do we go into order a takeaway?
Yes. Yeah, you can. Just treat it as normal now.
And it's all time to get there.
Yeah. Yeah, alright, I'll be back. I'm just going to go and get a coffee. Alright. As half expected, my Subway's not ready, I've only just started making it. So I'm going to go pick up a Costa because it's on the way for my Subway. Thank you. Is it ready? Almost. Okay. Thanks very much. No worries. So that took them 12 minutes after my order should have been ready to actually get my order ready. And in between that I've walked and gone and got myself a Costa. He was only just finishing it. Shows you how slow they are. Oh yeah. There's one Costa for you. There, pal. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Someone's answering the door. There's no doorbell. Oh yeah. Enjoy your Costa, buddy. I've been on shift now for an hour and 45 minutes and this is my second order. It's definitely not busy. I've seen way more drivers than I normally do, which is also not good. So it's not busy and we've got too many drivers on. My pickup's up. KG's final. Everyone's got to sit outside despite it raining.
She's not used to sitting in the rain. Coco, get out of the way.
Sorry, babe. Hey, there's your Katie's.
Thank you so much.
No worries.
Thank
Enjoy your
you,
day. Bye. I'm on my third order now for the day. It's just gone 11 minutes past 1. which means I've got 2 hours and 4 minutes left to make some decent money. Uber's not gone off again, but town is very busy. £5.60, sir?
£5.627.
Yeah.
I'll grab you.
Cheers, bud. Yep.
Thank you.
Joy, as I completed that delivery, I got myself a Subway over Village. That was actually just around the corner. So hopefully this will be ready. Let's swipe so I'm actually here.
3996.
Yep. Hey, enjoy yourself. Uber.
Uber for Danny.
Yeah.
Get it done to you now, mate.
Yeah. Cheers.
And then,
Cheers, bud.
and you take care.
Yeah. Probably see you later at some point. Never know.
Yeah.
Hey, bud. Enjoy. Yeah. It's been nearly an hour since my Subway pickup, and I've got myself a KFC in the high street. Four, two, one, two. Thank you. See ya. Oh yeah, enjoy your KFC. Yeah. Had about a 10-minute wait before I picked up my first Greggs of the day. I'm hoping that now a lot of the Just Eat drivers who took the Just Eat job on to make extra money during the lockdown have all gone back to work, so I can get all my shifts back and I can go back to working 3 days a week, 4 days a week, and still earn the same amount of money I'm trying to earn 5 or 6 days a week and have a better life. That's the benefit about the economy, is the flexibility on work. Yeah. I'm working in the area, I'll be in the blue copper van. Marvellous.
Good luck.
Yeah. So I've done it before. I had electricians who were doing the telephone lines. Yeah, and I was shouting at them, "You want to come and get your food?" And I'll put it in the van. Yeah, because I was so quick. So yeah, laying around.
Am I right?
Is that you?
Yes, mate, yeah.
Excellent. There you go, Mark.
Nice one.
Right. Enjoy.
Nice one, cheers, mate.
No worries. Yeah. My Just Eat shift finishes in 12 minutes, so this will definitely be my last order. I've done 7 orders today, which is really poor. I'm used to like doing 14, 15 orders. I've only done 3 Ubers as well. Not the biggest earning day. Yep. Thank you. Hiya, enjoy. Picked up my first shift of the afternoon. Started at 7:45. Yes, took about 9 minutes to get the order. Away, it's just after 5. First order of the afternoon. It is KFC High Street. Hopefully we're a bit busier than this afternoon shift. Not a good sign, there's already a driver waiting. Thank you. KFC?
Yeah, push it.
Oh,
Busted. Come on, baby.
there you go. You've got your food there. And there's a can.
Thank you.
Enjoy. See ya. So this is a cocked hat hub in Gosport, and there's just signs saying takeaway collection point. It's all the way around here. Here we are. Doorbell to press. See how long this takes. Hey up. 5682.
Fantastic.
Excellent. Cheers, Bob. See ya. That was pretty quick and efficient. I'm happy about that. The cocktail only opened yesterday, so this is my first order from it. I don't seem to be having any customers outside. It's not unusual. We've never had their food. We may try it one day and see what it's like. Hello. Hey, enjoy your contact. Picking up an order from Subway Pier Street. It's one I don't really like coming to. They're just slow. Jesus. It's not even ready. I'm going to pop to the shop first. Fiance and I just gone and got some snacks from Tesco. So it's round 2. I'm waiting for my food's now ready. You Alan?
Alan.
What have you ordered?
Subway, mate. Excellent.
There you go. Here's your sub and your drink.
Thank you very much, mate.
No worries.
Yeah,
Enjoy.
no problem.
See ya. After a bit of a wait, got myself another order. It's now 10 to 7. And I got my order at Fridays. It's definitely an odd night. It's not very busy at all. Yeah. I've literally only just got it. It's good. Cheers, bud. Just Johnson's trades is working. Nope.
Mate, number 21.
Yeah, just for you, bud.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay. Oh, mate. There you go. Enjoy. See ya. So I don't know if the cameras picked that up, but he was shouting at his missus, which is why we weren't answering the door. My Uber's gone off for the 4th time today. Just shows you how dead it is. There's an offer Pizza Hut. Hopefully this will be ready. My Just Eat's also gone off for a Subway, but it won't be ready just yet.
The large veggie supreme. Large veggie supreme cost £16.99.
Jonathan.
One medium pizza, a side, and a with turkey and 40 We'll give you the drink, yeah?
Yeah, I'll have a drink. Thanks so much. Hey everyone, enjoy Pizza Hut. I'm now going to pick up my Just Eat Subway order. This is not going very far, just like the Friday's order, but I only went less than half a mile. This one's probably going even less. Let's hope it's ready. I won't be impressed if I have to wait. Thank you very much. We'll walk down one of our little rat runs to get to this place. There's multiple ways in to where I've got to go. It's amazing when you come to these places, all you can ever smell is weed. And really strong. Enjoy yourself, bud. Here we are. Got on our way back to Fridays. Next to my order ready on the counter. Hopefully he's doing it now. Yeah. Cheers, buddy. Which has 4 chip shops, 5 chip shops, and they've ordered from a chip in far end of Gosport. I wonder what it tells you about the local chippers here. Enjoy your chippy.
Thank you.
No worries. Good night. Look at this. My first McDonald's of the day. Hammersmith Speedfields, and there's 4 drivers walking in before me. That shows we've just got an intake of orders. My Uber's now going off. But I can't tell you that it's going completely the wrong direction.
49324. Can I take your order, please?
Thank you. Let's see what happens. Enjoy your Mackies. Oh yeah, enjoy your Mackies. Scott's fish and chip. Not my favourite place to come. See this is a queue. If you're caught in this queue as a driver, it's just a nightmare. It's utter crap. And you never get your orders quickly. They've got an obsession with checking your phone several times before they give you any food. 0547. Just there it is. Yeah, it was. Cheers, fellas. See you all right. So this door opens outwards. So make sure we put it on the side of the door and not in front. Enjoy fish and chips. We find ourselves back at Speedfields. So last time my order was ready in under 2 minutes. Don't have an Uber yet. And hopefully may get one. But if it gets any later I won't be able to take it. My order should be ready at past, and it's 29 minutes past now. There's a couple of drivers in there already. Thank you. Thanks. Hey bud,
Mate, lovely.
enjoy your Mackies. See ya. What turned out to be a slow start to the day. My 8-hour shift ended up getting me £127 and 61p. Not a bad shift in the end. Thanks for watching.